now. Technical check. Can you hear me, guys? Everyone? Everyone, can you hear me?
Yes.
Please react.
Yes.
Raise your hand if you are okay. Thank you. Thank you. We only have 1 2 seconds. Yeah. Okay. Good morning, everyone. I am Maravillas Mark Dave, and
I am James William.
okay. Good morning. Proper sanitation is an essential aspect of a living, healthy, and a happy life, right? So we are here to gather for the this informative webinar that help us to understand the essential aspect of the proper hygiene, right? William.
Yes, Maki, as we know that good hygiene habits makes the difference between good health and bad health.
We are invited guest speaker for this, which we are so excited to meet, right? And are you guys okay? If you are excited, please type proper hygiene on a comment section. Let me
Okay.
know if you are ready.
Very soon. See him.
Okay. To formally welcome, okay.
Let us bow our heads and put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering all of us today. May you bestow your guidance and blessings so that we can enjoy and appreciate its significance in our lives. Bless everyone who are present here today, that each one of us may be able to share our knowledge, understanding, and wisdom for your glory and honor. May the various activities related to this event be a success through your intervention. We all ask of this in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Sparks of wisdom, hope, and joy, always carrying in our hearts. Like precious day, like glorious day, will shine through all eternity. Thy name shall ever be our guide. Thy light, our inspiration. Keep up the lights of glowing bright. To thy portals, dear alma mater. Hail, praises be to thee. Onward, show us the way. Faithful and true, will always be to thee. Our alma mater be.
Okay, to formally welcome, please join us in welcoming our NSTP instructor, the sexy, the gorgeous, the most energetic, no other than
Hello.
Miss
Good.
Justine. A round of applause, please. Okay, thanks.
Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me? Can you type one in the chat box if
Miss.
you can hear me? Okay. So, welcome to our proper hygiene seminar. So, I am greatly um, happy today for this wonderful seminar. We invite the guest speaker for today. And hopefully, you will have an informative seminar and you can get some learnings out of it. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Okay, thank you so much for the warm welcome, ma'am. We really appreciate you. Thank you. Okay, our objective of the seminar is to promote proper hygiene of the University of Cebu.
Well, first is to illustrate how simple practices can go a long way in preventing diseases. Second is to enhance proper understanding the importance of proper hygiene. Third is
Okay, to give us an illustrative activities and Q&A, may I call in Miss Mary Joy Cleophey. A round of applause, please.
Hello, good morning, everyone. So, before we proceed to our seminar proper, we will have an interactive icebreaker. So, are you guys familiar of four picks one word? Can you raise your hands, please? Or can you please press the raise hands button? Okay, so that will be our interactive play today. So, um we will display four pictures linked by one word. So the player's aim is to work out what word it is. So from a set of letters given below the pictures, players will find themselves seeing commonalities between two or three photos but being unable to figure out the linking word. So, ano siya prizes guys, pero um naana siya sa last na icebreaker. So, without further ado, let's start. Next slide, please. Kauna nga maka-press sa raise button kay mo na siya ang daog. Wala pa. I will give you 3 minutes to guess the answer. So if you know it already, kindly press the raise hand button. Okay, Miss Jonna Lauron, nakaguess na ka sa word. Kindly please turn on your mic. Please turn on your mic, please, if you already know the answer. Miss Jonna Lauron.
This is Miss. This is Juna
Disease.
Flor Lauron.
All right. Correct. Thank you so much.
She answered disease.
Thank you. So, um, i-remember lang na kanang naka-answer ka because next, okay, this word has 5 letters. And kindly please your hand if you know the answer. Okay. Miss Elora Contabaco, do you know the answer? Kindly please open your mic.
It's hygiene, I guess, miss.
Thank you, Miss, for trying. Another one. Okay, Miss Jana Layson. Arcelia, I'm sorry. Do you know the answer?
Rush, miss.
Yes, correct. That's right.
Rush,
Correct. Very good. Okay. Okay, sorry for the delay. So let's proceed. Here's another one. This word has 4 letters. So if you know the words, guys, again, please press the raise hand button. Mr. Carlos Pojas,
Which my answer would be
can you
odor.
guess the word?
Odor.
Okay, that's right. Thank you for answering. So let us proceed to the next pictures. So these pictures will be the last in this game. So this word has 5 letters. So can someone guess this? Miss Miss Caballero, do you have any idea?
Clean Miss.
Okay, that's right. So we're now done with this interactive game. So let us now proceed to our um program proper. So thank you very much for playing with us.
Okay, thank you, Miss Cleophie. Now let me introduce to you our guest speaker, graduated as cum laude with a bachelor's degree in music, art, physical, and health education from Cebu Normal University in 2018, completed as master's degree in education, specializing in physical education from Cebu Normal University in 2023. Served as a MAPI teacher at University of Cebu Main Campus Junior High School Department from 2019 to 2021. Worked as a BPED from 2021 to 2023. Currently serve as an active and dynamic BPED Path Fit Professor at Cebu Normal University Main Campus. Licensed professional teacher, advocate for health and wellness. Please help me welcome our guest speaker, Mr. Brian Dovic and Caballero. A round of applause, please.
All right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, University of Cebu.
Good
Okay.
morning.
Before anything else, I would like to ask if can you hear me and can you see me clearly? Okay, very good. I can see thumbs up. No, like one gig thumbs
Yes,
up.
sir. Yes, yes.
Okay, very good. So, first of all, please allow me to extend no my heartfelt gratitude to your professor in NSTP. No, so a dynamic, very creative, talented, and very jolly. No, um, professor. We have Miss Giselle Ortega for inviting me and for having me this morning as your guest speaker. So it is my honor to be part of this meaningful and wonderful activity. So thank you very much, Professor Giselle. So are you here?
Hello, sir. Thank you so much also for coming to our webinar today. We are so grateful that you are here.
Okay, very good. So this time, once again, can you please unmute your mic? Good morning, students from University of Cebu.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Okay. Galuya, murag galuya man ni nakapamahaw mo. Murag wala
Good
nakakaon.
morning, sir.
Wala, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir. Good
Okay,
morning.
so
Good morning,
before I
sir.
will start, no, my talk, to please turn on their cameras because I want to see, the handsome and beautiful faces of the University of Cebu students. So please turn on your camera. Sige, so kita ko sa inyong mga faces, no? Karon.
Morning.
Wow, no, I can see fresh faces here. No, so as much as possible, I would like to encourage everyone to please turn on their cameras, no, para I can see audience, no, in this virtual seminar. Okay, lain kay puro sa screen, no, mga blank ra akong makita here. Sige. So, nakapamahaw na ba mo? Are you done eating your breakfast, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Wala pag yun. Wala pag
Yes.
ipakaon ni Ma'am Juselda. Okay, so I can see students are still in the university. So nasa school, no, most of the students na ako nakita niya nag-on sa camera. So napamoy klase right now. Are you still having final exams today?
No, sir. Wala, sir.
We don't have any, sir.
We do, we don't have finals na.
This
We
We're
are
no
here
sir.
for
we're
the
done
Yeah, mana sir.
our
Wala na.
Okay, very good. No, so I'm happy to hear that you are done already with your final exam. So, for sure you passed the exam, no?
hopefully.
So, and hopefully you have good grades, no? With Miss Giselle Ortega. So, all of you will expect no good grades because I believe, no, she is a very good teacher and will provide good grades. So, basig mauno na mo ani tungod ani inyong pag-organize for this seminar. So, before we will proceed, no, so can I see, no, everyone? Yeah. So it's very nice to see again students from UC. No, so for everyone's information, I was a faculty, no, previous faculty, former faculty of University of Cebu main campus. Um, last, no, 2019 till 2023. So just last year, no, so I transferred to Cebu Normal University. So unang excited yun to makita ang mga estudyante sa UCK. I know students from UC are mga bibo gyud, no, so murag kamo kay murag dili magaluya lagi diri, no, so dapat di mo magluya-luya. As much as possible you need to have energy. Sige, so um thumbs up, react thumbs up if you have high energy, and thumbs down if nagduka mo dira or nagluya. Sige. So kay pasayawon ta mo if nagluya mo dira, no? So I am a physical educator. So as much as possible, I really wanted everyone to be alive. Okay, very good. Thumbs up tanan ato ang nadawat, no, for today. So that means everyone is having good energy and has a good state of mind. Very good. So, yeah, I can see someone raising his hand. No, maybe na-click lang na siya. No, so okay. So as much as possible, I also encourage everyone to use the chat box for our engagement. So if you have questions, clarifications, or something to say, so just feel free to chat in the chat box. Are we clear with that, students?
Yes, sir.
Asa namang
Yes,
energy?
sir.
See.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so are you ready to listen for today's activity?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Ready,
sir.
ready, ready.
That's right.
Okay, I can see handsome good, no, ang mga beautiful faces here, mga gwapa-gwapo gid yung mga taga UC. Sige. So to start with, allow me to share my presentation first, no, for today. Sige. So please let me know if you're able to see and makita sa yung end ang presentation. So this is virtual meeting, so we cannot expect that everything will go smoothly. No, earlier we faced some technical problems, but of course, if we cooperate, if we work together, then I believe everything will go smoothly. Okay, so right now, can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Sige. So this time, let's watch this short video
Yes
first.
sir. Yes sir.
Okay, before we will continue, nadungog na yung audio, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can hear the
Uh,
voice clearly.
how about the audio from the video?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Yes,
Yes.
okay, po, sir. Yes.
Okay, very good. I just want to check, no, if everything is okay. So again, let's proceed and watch the video. right. No, so the video is done. So can I ask someone from this class now, what have you observed from the video? Sige, can I call Carlos Pojas? Sige, what can you say about the video? Just a short no insights about the video. Or you can also type in the chat box. Yes, I can see someone raising his or her hand. Please unmute your mic. Where are you, students? Yes, Jamaica. You're raising your hand. Jamaica Mabini.
For me, sir, hi, sir. Good morning again.
Good
For me, sir,
morning.
I think is prevent of disease, sir, like virus, like we think, sir, na like we like sakay tag bus, sir, dapat we know, sir, asa jud ta dapat mukupot kay wata we are not sure, sir, if limpyo jud ba tong gikuptan or hugaw, sir.
Okay, very good. Yes, how about Marky Palmero? You're raising your hand also.
As what she said, sir, good morning. As what she said, sir, like kanang diseases is everywhere. So you must have a proper hygiene to yourself, and that's it. Thank you.
Okay, very good. No, so that's correct. No, so it's everywhere. So you need to have proper hygiene. Yes, can we have the last one, Oberes, and the rest for those students who wants to answer? You can type your answer in the chat box. I can read your answers.
Yeah. Okay, good morning, sir. I think I strongly believe nga ang kamot ang pinakahugaw nga part sa ato ang lawas because kanang mao man ni siya ang ato ang priming magamit good every time kung naatay lihokon, naatay buhaton kay ang kamot gid ba. So prone siya sa bacteria, prone siya sa mga diseases. So in order for us to protect ourselves because we have to guarantee our safety, di ba? So in order for that to guarantee our safety kay you must have to bring every kanang kwan. Most of the time dapat you have your alcohol, and then if this is alcohol like kanang wash your hand frequently kay para sad to prevent any diseases nga imuhang makuha wherever you go.
Okay, very good. No, thank you for sharing that. So I agree with that. No, that our hands is the dirtiest no part of our body because no mo na permi na to magamit no so ato ang hands no in doing a lot of things. So very good. Thank you so much for that. No, and if you have answers, you can type it in our official chat box. So now, let's proceed no to this question. So this morning I was tasked no to talk about proper hygiene. So I believe this topic is not new to everyone. It's because since we were in kindergarten, we are already taught by our teachers, no, what is hygiene, no. So this time, let's have the meaning of hygiene. So if I ask you one by one, for sure you can really answer what is hygiene. But based on the definition, so hygiene is defined as, or it refers to the practices that help maintain health and prevent the spread of diseases. It involves keeping yourself and your surroundings clean. No? So why do you think that it's important no, for us to have proper hygiene? So later on, you will know as we go through with our discussion no, for this activity. So here we have here two words related to hygiene, and I believe everyone no was able to encounter this already. So we have here the body odor and the bad breath. No, so talking about hygiene when we were kids, we are already taught no, by our teachers at the same time with our parents. So it is a matter of upbringing at the same time nurturing. No? So if we're able to practice good or proper hygiene at a very young age, therefore, as we grow older, we're able to maintain no, a good, healthy, and presentable self. No? So this time, we have here body odor and bad breath. No, so when you hear these words, what comes out first to your mind? I want you to type it in the chat box. Sige. So madungog mo body odor and bad breath. Sige, everyone, can you please type to the chat box sa yung first masud sa yung utok no, when you hear these words? Utilize the chat box for interaction. Sige. Can you hear me? Are you still there, students?
But we're not able to give comment on the chat box because we have a kanang poor internet connection.
Oh, I see. No, so I believe no, it's because most of you are in the classroom, and I believe part of the classrooms no in the UC kay murag hinay ang signal. I do believe that body. I can see here one answer from Marky Palmero. I do believe that body odor and bad breath is the dirtiest part of the body. So Mayumi, dental issues for bad breath, and then we have for Angel Bakuli. So if she heard the word, so yung marunan kay stinky. Okay. So let's talk no about what is body odor and bad breath. So I believe you have the knowledge already no, about this thing. So now let's find out first what are the causes of bad body odor. So can you no type on the chat box for those students who has good signal no, so please type in the chat box what do you think are the causes of getting or having bad body odor. So I believe there are a lot of reasons why people no tend to have body odor. Sige. Okay, so delay sa inyong end akong voice because dili kay mo ya, no late ang mga responses here nga ako nakita sa ko no chat box. Sige, so what are the causes of body odors? So I'll go back now in the chat box later. So let's find out. So first let's define what is a body odor. No? So body odor happens when the bacteria on your skin come in contact with sweat. No? So our skin is naturally covered with the bacteria, and when we sweat, the water, salt, and fat mixed with this bacteria can cause odor. So, mana baho, no? So the odor can be bad, good, or have no smell at all. So every time you sweat, there's a chance you'll produce an unpleasant body odor. So some people are more susceptible to foul body odor than other people. So I believe no each one of us no has different odors scent, we call it scent no sa lain tagbaho. So when we smell our classmates or friends no makailata nga siya no it's because we are familiar with the scent of that people or person already. So I can see here in the chat box no proper hygiene no the reason of having body odor. That's correct no, so that's one of the many reasons why people have body odor or bad breath. Okay, very good. So body odor is a condition called hyperhidrosis, makes a person sweat excessively. So kanang panington gyud ta no. So people with this condition may be more susceptible to body odor because they sweat so much, but it's often the green sweat glands that causes the most discomfort with the sweaty palms and feet no. So especially for those people nga grabe ka panington no singtanon. So there are most common prone for having bad odor, especially if they don't know how to take good care of their hygiene. Sige, so can you please raise your hand for those students nga mga singtanon o kamot no singtanon o tiil. Sige. No, so raise your hand. Okay, so I can see no students raising their hand. No, so we have no 7 students no. Kanang mga singtanon nga gamay ra gyud bisag naata sa ko ano. So sington din ang kamot, panington ang tiil. So yeah, so that can cause odor if not treated well, no? So if di na ninyo agapan din mo makakos yun na siya og bad odor, no? So munang mobaho gyud siya. So for example, no, example sa tiil kanang singtanon og tiil niya wa kay ilis-ilis og socks, no? Therefore, on the next day or even in the evening ana mo na gyud na siya bad odor, no? So especially for those students nga grabe ka singtanon sa ilang makamot and tiil. So as much as possible if kamo mga singtanon mo, so you have to wash your hands frequently, use alcohol, then your feet you can use mga powder, no, like Fisan to um yeah, to address the issue para dili kayo magtimaho. Especially you are college students already, I believe you are aware of that kay for college students, no, you are already adults and I believe kay balo naman ta mauwaw, no, and we already know also I believe no nga how to take good care of ourselves. Sige. So body odor other factors, number one is for the hot weather. So this especially no, we are living in the country in the Philippines which is very hot, no. So last month we experienced a very high no heat index. So grabe yung inita, no, naabot og 42, no. So grabe ka init and then bisag wala tay gibuhat sa balay, no. So naglingkod ra ta, grabe panington gyud ta, sington gyud ta, no. So muna during last month kas kayo kog sanina, no, personally kay it's because kasingot, no. So mag-ilis na sad. So every day maka-change kog shirt ng sigara sa balay 3 to 4 times tungod sa singot kilain kana sa feeling niya I take a bath 3 times, no, a day, no, para wag tang ang kainit ang kaalimuot, no, because of the heat or the weather. Next we have having overweight or obesity. So for those people who are obese, no, when say obese, no, these people has high, no, weight, mga dagko yun sila, no. So ano man it's a factor. It's because for these people, no, they increase, no, they have increased sweat production and they have also skin folds. Daghan sila mga skin folds. For example, kan sa liog, no, not to kuan but this is a reality kanang mga sana mga fats here and then musuksok mo na dira ang mga singot and all and everything. Muna kung di matrapuhan, dili ma uh, o anong maligo di mag-wash or whatsoever no nga ma-clean siya mugawas gyud iyahang odor, no. And based on my experience also for those mga obese mga people nga dili ka ba mo take good care of themselves when it comes to hygiene para mahod siya and mas isog ra ba siya kung mas acidic iyahang baho mas isog siya. So muna you have to be very careful, no. So from time to time you have to clean yourself, no, proper hygiene. And the last or the third other factors is the genetics, no. Ang genetics yun nato. So some reason or most of reason kay na mana na to, no, we inherit it from our parents, no, sa tuang genes na nagyan na siya. But of course mo nang dapat we need to have proper hygiene. So kay baluta nga singtanon ta, kay baluta kuanta, so we need to apply mga deodorant, no, mga other things that can prevent us from having bad odor. Okay, so now we're done with bad odor, no. So this time let's proceed to the next one, which is the this question. So what are the causes of bad breath? Sige, so can you please type in the chat box what are the main causes of bad breath? No, so Miss Ortega, please take note for the students na sige kaning participate, no. So mo gini sila nga tagi grado, ha. Okay. Sige, what are the common causes of bad breath? I know for sure, no? So, even me, I can also detect sometimes nga, kuan, no? I have already bad, no, breath. Especially kanang I do fasting and I don't eat breakfast, kanang gutomon ko, mag-feel na ko nga kuan, no? Acidic na siya. So, smoking, correct? We have serinyo, no? Smoking from the food, correct? Daot nga ngipon, okay, poor oral hygiene. Very good, no? So ipang screenshot yun nilang may answer, Mr. Because they're very participative and very smart. Dry mouth, cavities. Okay. So let's see, no? So what are the main reasons or causes of bad breath? So these are the top 3 causes of bad breath, no? So the following includes the tobacco or the you mentioned ganyan cigarette or smoking. The second one, the food that we eat, and the third is doesn't brush and floss teeth. So number 1 is the tobacco, so or the cigarette. So tobacco products cause their own types of mouth odor. Additionally, they increase the chances of gum disease, which can also cause bad breath. So if you try to sino if nakakita mo class or yeah kanang cartoon sa sigarilyo no so nanan dira gibutan nga mga mouth nga itom kay mga gums mga teeth no so but still people are not afraid no to use cigarettes so oral hygiene toothbrush floss mouthwash no so okay so for this one no for this situation so may I ask who among these students here attending this seminar who tried no using mga cigarettes no so I'm not sure about the mga kanang mga e-cigarettes no like mga vape if mga cause ba na kay I haven't tried no and I don't smoke also but yeah so muna you have to prevent no these things so next is the food that we eat so the breakdown of food particles stuck in the teeth can cause odors some foods such as onions and garlic can cause bad breath so there are certain foods na cause you na tuog bad breath so that's why from time to time after eating no at least we do gargle no so mag-gargle lang ta and then yeah so ana for us to maintain especially kana mukaon mo og for example let's relate it in a school setting so when we go to school we brush our teeth in the morning manut brush ba mo no so we brush our teeth in the morning and then we eat our lunch at school dahil sudan siomay no daghan ba kina dira sa kuan siomay sa pa mga sudan dira no na mga cause og kuan alcohol can cause dry mouth and lead to bad breath. Okay. So yeah, drinking alcohol also, that's correct, no? So munang dili gyud no magsigi og agay. So daghan kay no, for example, kaon kag siomay during your lunch break. And then wala kay panglimbog-mog or wala kay nagkuan og gargle or toothbrush and then you talk with your friends or classmate, ya confident kay ka magtabi na sikit pigit kay baba na lagput ang laway, no? So sa kay ma-feel no sa imong friend, no? Or nimo if ikaw imong friend inanan sa kay mong ma-feel. So when you have to take good care of yourself, especially now that you are adult. So we need to be responsible with our hygiene. So number 3 is doesn't brush and floss teeth. Honestly, I'm not fond no in kuan kanang dental floss no before, but now I use that because it is really recommended by the dentist. No, so brushing and flossing ensure the removal of small particles of food that can build up and slowly break down, producing odor. So a film of bacteria called plaque builds up if brushing is not regular. So question, how many times in a day should we brush our teeth? So kapila man ta manut breath, not brush, no? Everyone, kapila man. Okay, according to Maureen, it's 3 times, no?
3.
Okay, 3 times a day for yeah, but as suggested by some of the dentists, no, at least 2 times a day, no, at least 2 times a day. So which means you can brush your teeth one in the morning, no, and then ikaduha in the before going to bed, and in the sa lunch you can do gargle, no, mga kanang unsa na like mga Listerine or whatsoever na used to avoid this one. Okay, so two ang kasagaran kay if you brush your teeth frequently, like for example, after breakfast brush, after snacks brush, after lunch brush, snack hapon brush, so madaot pud na ato ang gums. No? So mo nang dili pud pwede nga every lihok, every kaon kay mag-brush pud, no? So it's advisable to at least brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, very good. So next is what another question, what is the effects of bad hygiene? So unsa may mahitabo sa tua if we're able to continue in having bad hygiene? So I can still observe, no? Since I've been teaching for 6 years already, when I was still teaching in the high school no level, I can still see students no coming to school without taking a bath, no, without kanang kanang kalkag kay buhok, with doesn't know, no, in short, doesn't know how to take good care of themselves, no. So mga grade 7, grade 8. So that's why in my health class I always no discuss this, no, because this is very important, no, for them to know and to be aware on what are the things that is necessary, no, to do in order for them to prevent bad hygiene. Okay, so effects of bad hygiene. So number one, so the number one effect of having bad hygiene is for health impacts, no? So it increase risk of illness. Germs and bacteria thrive in unsanitary conditions. So if we are not taking good care of our health, so muna dali kita matakdan og sakit, no? Because mismo ikaw sa mong self kay hugawan man ka, no? We call it hugawan, the term is hugawan. You don't know how to make yourself clean. Muna, your immune system will get low, and then tas kuwang pag-rest, mo nang dali kay matakdan og mga sipon, ubo, no? So, muna. Next, the next effect is for the self-esteem. So, grabe maka-lower gid siya og self-confidence, no? So, I believe some of you here experience already, no, during your high school days, nga mo na, no, nga, sikuan, no? Okay, ay kuha na storya na yang okay, nagbaba ipaduol, no? Bawag ilok ayong tapad, ana, no? So, we have that kind of behavior when we were in high school. But I hope in this time that you are already college, wala na yung mga inaana, no? Nga madunggan na. Kinsa man yung baho kay kuan, but to be honest, in my PE class, I can still recognize students nga kanang mga bahuog, PL, especially by the time we do Pat Fit, no, especially Pat Fit 1 and 2. So students, there are certain exercises, no, that they will use mats, and I will let my students remove their shoes and then manglisbo yun na ang mga PL, no? Class, grabe, no? So, humot kaayo, no? So, okay, move your shoes, ilinya dito sa luyo, no? Para dili mabot ang baho diri kay ano man. For other students, one reason is dili mag-ilis og socks, no? So kay usara ilang medyas or panauga or whatsoever mo na. So as much as possible dili gyud ninyo balikon inyong medyas, no? Especially no students like for example, sa buto ng medyas man ay pwede pa man ni, no? So ayo gyud once you wear it already, do not wear it again. It's because mo na yung makakos nga mabaho na nang tiil sa ba okay wala man ka nag-ilis og socks because ang mga germs nga naa na dito no kasi yung tiil na dito sulob nimo mas mo grabe siya so mo nang do not wear twice good no mga socks. So self-esteem, no, so feeling unclean, low hygiene can lead to feeling of shame and embarrassment, no. So and then number 3 we have here social impacts, no. So grabe gid ang impact, no, so for the social on how we interact with other people. So social isolation, people with bad hygiene may be ostracized due to unpleasant body odor or visible dirt. So when we're in high school, grabe bita ka vocal, no? We are not careful about the words that we are using, no? Ang uban estudyante, no, insensitive kay na. Sikon ba baho kig ilok, no? Na baho kig bakba. So that can cause really, no? Isolation mo na ay mo duol niya, ay mo tapad, no? Kay di na ganahan mo tapad, di na ganahan mo duol. It's because of bad hygiene. So muna if you want to increase, no, friends, so man you have to maintain good hygiene. So difficulty maintaining relationship kani no man resulti. So people may avoid close contact or feel uncomfortable interacting with someone who has bad hygiene. So muna mo palayo sila nimo, no. So dili ka pilon silang grupo, i-outcast ka because they feel that kuan, no, you don't belong to their group. Muna as much as possible, no, kita I know college students maibog na mo na uyab no uyab na ganyang uban, no. So imagine na baban uyab ka, no, you kiss. So muna that's a big no good. So muna you have to maintain good hygiene, no. So careful gid mo ana ha. So you need to be careful and cautious about it. So I know this is very basic, but a lot of people tend to forget, no, about this one, no. So muna makalimot or sa kanang dali-dali, no, or ang uban wala gid na anad kay wala man nila na practice when they were still young. Kay wala man pod na inculcate or na instill sa parents, no. So sa balay mo gina mag-start, no. So ang bata pa ta gitudloan na ta nga mag-brush yun after kaon before matulog, then madala gyud na nato, no. Ang uban high school na, college na, kay na namin nadaot na ang ngipon. So do not wait nga naamoy timahuan dira pa mo action. So wala pa gani. So we always believe, no, in health gyud prevention is better than cures. We prevent gyud nato nga magka bad odor, bad hygiene gyud na, no, as much as possible. Okay, so we have here another video about hygiene. So let's watch this video.
Hand hygiene has the power to save lives and stop the spread of infections. Proper hand hygiene not only protects yourself, but also those you come in contact with.
Hand hygiene is the best defense against spreading infections.
I practice hand hygiene for the health of our patients.
I help promote hand hygiene because I care.
Hand hygiene is everyone's responsibility. Please do your part to protect our patients.
Okay, no, so that's hand hygiene. No, so the video shows on how and what should we do, no, in order for us to protect from getting and spreading diseases. So, are you still listening, no? First year students, can I have thumbs up, no, for me to see, no, if you're still there? Okay, very good, no. So, nag-shower og thumbs up. That means that you are still attentively listening. So, so far, are you learning? No, so I believe this is very basic, no, knowledge that we need to know. And for sure kay balugid mo ani, no, everyone, you are aware all of this, no. And ato na lang yung challenge is for us to apply it in every day, no, day to day basis. Dili pwede nga karon ra ugma wala na, no. So I know we have the knowledge, no, so we are very smart, I know, no, we have the knowledge, but the problem is we don't know how to apply what we know. So muna, even me in my physical education classes, I always instill how to have proper diet, exercise. Bright nakita, why do we need to exercise? It's because for us to have a healthy body. Why do we need to eat healthy? For us to maintain a good weight. Bright kayo ta, no? So, anong ma-exercise, anong mukha. But, the problem is, we do not practice what we know. So, muna, it is our challenge ng mga PE instructors and health practitioners not to promote, not just promote, but let the people realize and give importance, no, sa mga nahibawaan nila, and of course apply it to the real life setting, no. So application yun, no, dapat dili pwede nga diri ra kutob, no. So useless ang knowledge if we don't know how to apply. So we know that brushing our teeth, we should do it in a circular motion, and then brush our teeth twice or three times a day. Ya ikaw ka isa ra ka mo brush sa usa ka adlaw. Do you think you're practicing what you know? So therefore, no, wala nimo gigamit ang imong knowledge. So sayang. So nang gamiton gyud nato ato ang mga nahibaw-an. Okay? So let's continue. So we have here, why do we need to practice good hygiene? So this is the question. So nganong kinahanglan man gyud, no? So nga we need to do, no, or practice good hygiene. So let's answer this question. So importance of proper hygiene. So I believe we have the knowledge it again, no? But we tend to forget, no, this mga things, no, and apply. So number one, it helps to prevent diseases, no. So it helps us to get diseases, especially mga common communicable diseases, no? Mga diseases that we can get from having contact with other people, from touching objects, no? So, pwede na nato siya makuha mga germs, naman hikap sa ilong, trapo sa naong, no? Without having alcohol, no? Ako, sometimes I'm guilty about this, no? So, we know that we are not that very perfect unless if grabe gid ka kakuha, no? I observe, no? Based on my experience, I have this student before na he's very grabe siya ka-conscious about kanang mga sanitary, no, nga di siya magpahikap sa mga gamit, mag-alcohol siya per me, no, nagyo na because at the early young age na train po siya sa iyang parents na do not share your kuan, di mapainom gyud sa classmate kay ana because that is part of hygiene, no. So mao gyud na siya dapat mo na in my PE classes, I encourage my students to bring their own water bottles, their own towels, no. No sharing gyud na dapat yang uban magdag ako flash ang classmate pa na ko bibay pasa-pasa, no? So do you think are you practicing a good hygiene with that kind of attitude, no? So muna, one requirement in my class now is you need to have your own water bottle. No water bottle, minus deduction for the requirement. Okay, lain ka na magpulig-pulig inom, magsawsaw, no? Bisag dira, ayo lang tunga ba, no? Nabatuan magyapon na og laway. So it is still no not proper or it's not hygienic at all. So next, enhances personal and social confidence. So if you feel that humot kay ka, guwapo kay ka, limpyo kay ka, no? Then you feel very confident, no? So kung feel gid mo gisingot ka, no? So I've experienced this also before, no? Yung guys mo singot kay ka, feel mo kanang sige magduwa, sige mo kiyat dagandagan, no? Usab na sa school. Na kabaho na kog singot oy, no? Ma-conscious ta sa tuang self, no? Ay sa paduol lagi singot kay ko, no? Anak kay ana. So mo na siya. So mo we need to maintain good hygiene for us to enhance our confidence, no? So number 3, improves public health and community well-being. So we started within ourselves, no, as a good contributor of the community. So if we are clean, our surroundings are clean, not just ourselves, but of course including our surroundings, no. So sanity, cleanliness, no. Example for those students, no, na nag-boarding house, mga nag-dorm, no? So, for example, kay mga bed spacer. Okay, so I want you to, for sure, na yung mga ka-relate ani. Like, for example, na upat mo kabuk sa imong room, mas daghan kay 6, no? 7, 8, no? So, ana, bisag duha ra gani, pataka kaglabay si mong bulingon, hubo dira, butang dito, ibutang ra sa higdaanan, sa bed, no, ana, and then, nagtapok rin mga bulingon, mga sanina and all, na po other boarders or imong roommate, no, nga nagkatagla pod. So, asa naman ang cleanliness, ana, no? Asa naman ang hygiene? Hygiene is not just about our body, but also with our environment, the place that we stay, no? Kung asa ta naglingkod mo na or higda, no? So as much as possible, we also have to clean, no, our environment. Like for example, our beddings atong unlan, nganong bugason man ang uban? It's because ang punda usan na katuig walay laba-laba. Ang habol, no, walay laba-laba, walay laundry, no? So di humot na kaayo na immune na sa baho naman wala nagilaba. So unsa naman na apabatay proper hygiene ana. So as much as possible, no, we need to change good, no. So every 3 days or even at least na lang once a week, no. If dili kaya nga let's say every day mag-ilis budget kapoy kiglaba pod, no. Okay, mga at least every week lang yun, no, kada every one paningkamutan, no, to start with that. And then another reason is promotes better self-esteem and mental health. So if you are having good hygiene, you can think properly, no, you can express yourself properly because again, you are confident. Kaya balo ka nga humuntag ba when you talk to other people, loud and proud. So, kung bahog kayong baba mo na, o ba magtabon-tabon, no? So ano, okay, so manang you have to maintain this proper hygiene. Next is increased productivity and quality of life. The more you feel fresh, the more you feel good, the more productive you are in everything that you do. No, so not just in school, but at home or even in the workplace. Next, the last reason is demonstrate respect for oneself and others. So if you respect yourself, then therefore you respect others too. No, like for example, kaning basic example, kanang mag-commute ta, no? When we do commuting sa jeepney, sa puton gyud ko anang mga girls nga doesn't know how to tie their hairs, no? Kanang bago, especially kanang early in the morning, 6 a.m. I travel going to the city, basa king buhok, wala higot niya. Magtuto ni mo na tapad sa jeepney kay di man ta kareklamo, no? Kay sikit-sikiti, no? So sikit gyud na, no? And somebody parts are touched with maana masikit ang mga siko, ang mga kuno ano, ang buhok magtuto, no? Ana lami kayo berahon ang buhok mo, to be honest lang, I feel nga lami kay kumuto, no? Kay doesn't know how to take good care of themselves, no? So they not wala sa nagmind nga naka-cause na rin sila og kuan, no? Disturbance to other people. Muna kamo girls, not just girls, but also boys, no? Be careful, no? If especially if we are in the public places, public utility jeep, no? So dili kang buhok nga way po mga lupad ang mga buhok, makaon na to ang buhok diri, no? So dagkapila ko nakasuya na, no? Mga girls man ang lupad ang buhok sa jeep kay mohangin biya na, no? Namaon sa imong mata, makaon na to, maigo atong mata. So girls, no, please tie your hair every time you are in a public place. Muna sa akong klase, bawal gyud mag dunghay, no? So walang gyud mo kaabot nako dira sa UC, no? I teach Pat Fit 1 2 3 4, no? Okay. So muna, so you have to respect yourself so that other people will respect you at the same time, no? So respect begets respect. Okay? So that's it. And then we have here how to practice good hygiene. So this time, these are the things that we need to do on how for us to maintain good hygiene. Number one is take shower every day. So question, maligo ba mo every day? Kinsa may way kaligo karon nga niadtog eskwelahan? Raise your hand. Nung basig naa nga way ligo di ay. Naa? Okay, no? So ang uban okay na ni maligo kay gilantan man, no? Nay mga reason like not feeling well, no? So mo nang di maligo kay kuan init kayo. So wear clean and loose fitting clothes, especially now that it's summer. I believe the university is encouraging students not to wear uniform, kalimuot kayo, no, nga sington gyud. So mo nang light clothes, no? But still formal, no? Dili kay mo ban magsando na lang pud, no? It's inappropriate to wear that, no, sleeveless inside the campus. The third one is brush your teeth daily. So kinsa man ninyo diri ang nianha dira ron nga walay pang toothbrush, no? Ano man nagdali na, late na, nahutan og toothpaste, no? Or what other reason na misplace ang toothbrush, no? Ako so every time I am fan of traveling. I go from one place to another every time. So mo nang nagi na sa akong bag, lahi akong toothbrush para sa balay, lahi sa dorm, naagi ko brush for me sa bag, and then other essentials, no? Okay. Hilig mo ko ganang mga dili mo uli, no? For example, di ko mo uli, wa kay dala toothbrush, no? Saon na lang. So, mana dapat ready gid na siya tanan. Okay? So, and we have here the last one, use deodorant and keep your armpits shaved, no? So, I'm not sure about shaving, no? So, ako I don't shave. For girls, no, they do that, no, magka-wax and all and everything. But for boys, paano yun? Deodorant boys, no? So, no, bisag kuan pa nato, no? So, saan pa nato, no? Pinaka kung di ka afford og deodorant, na itawas tag piso, no? Ang tawas, that's very cheap. We can use that to avoid mga unpleasant odor or bad odor. So we can use that one, no? Di jud kalimot kay magdali-dali nakakalimot og deodorant na patay na, no? Especially singtanon ka, no? Kay manimaho gyud na siya. So munang we need to use this essentials to prevent from having bad odor. Especially aware na mo, no? So I know your college students aware na mo nga baho kag giil, baho kag baba, baho kag ilok. Aware na mo ana daan kanang mga butangan mo na pinaka basic. Nya, di pa gyud nimo kanon, no? Agapan. So kabaw na ka nga kung mag-deodorant jud ka, kabaw ka kung di ka mag-deodorant, manimaho jud kang singot, manimaho kang aslom, no? So mo nang you have to be mindful, and I believe mapart na po na sa inyong daily routine. Kung ginabuhat na nimo permi after ligo, toothbrush, no? Ako kay I do ang uban kay toothbrush daan before ligo, ako kay maligo. Part sa routine sa akong pagligo is ang mag-toothbrush in the morning. Di ko na malimtan, kina routine naman siya. And then after ligo, muna na mag-deodorant, magkuan, no? Pulbos, magbisan sunblock. And of course, wearing of sunblock is also very important, especially this time it's very hot, no? Pero man naman ang summer, magkaroon June, ting uwan na. No? So, But of course, we need that also kay ang mga ultraviolet, no? So we need to apply sunblock. Bahala wala na mo yung toner, mga serum and all and everything. Basta pinaka-importante ang sunblock gyud, no? Okay. So another here we have here, try removing overly smelly food from your diet or pay attention to the specific food make your body odor worse. Like for example, kaya mga garlic, onions, mo ni kabaw jud baba no nang uban kusog kay mo kaog pungko-pungko, no? Kana kusog kay mo ka pungko-pungko mo. Kilaw og mga onions, mga bombay unsa pa na, no? And alcohol are a few examples of foods that make your sweat smell more unpleasant. So mo result po day na sa matuang mga gipang kaon. So kung muna yung gipang kaon mo na imong masingot, grabe ka acidic, grabe ka kung ano, aslom. It's because of the food that you eat. Mo nang part of the diet mo kaon mga fruits, vegetables, kay mga fresh mo na sila. So dili gyud baho nga tong singot ano no. So mo nang diet is also important. Find ways to reduce your stress levels. Stress can cause your apocrine glands to activate, no? Kung man ma-stress ta, no? So man sington ta, nang pauralon ta sa eskwelahan, no? Panington pag-ayo, kulbaan, no? So mo na brush your tongue, no? So when you brush your teeth, do you brush your tongue, everyone? Thumbs up if you brush your tongue, no? So ako, mo brush ko sa akong tongue every morning, magdigwa pero makadigwa, no? I don't know kamo if modigwa pa mo, but in my end, when I brush my teeth, I do brush my tongue, suka-suka para makadigwa ta kay lain man kaayo no kay taste buds makuan mo nang I don't know with others if they experience the same. So bacteria, food, and dead cells commonly build up on the tongue, especially in the smokers or those with a particular dry mouth. So including all parts of the mouth. Yes, no, Mr. Ortega. So karon kay bawo ko, some of you here kay in relationship na gyud, no, na mga uyab. They do kuan, no. So I know kanang even on youngers, no, mga high school na naman or college man mo, so nanagini umban. Ang uban na, if your boyfriend or girlfriend ka naman nigarilyo gyud, I believe maka-notice gyud mo na naa gyud na siya smell, no? Lagi na siya baho. Di gyud na mawagtang, no? And then, if you kiss, matransfer pag yun na sa imuha, no? Especially you do kanang grabe nga mga kanang kissing, no? So this is kanang ginabuhat sa uban, practice sa uban no na kiss sila mo pilit ang baho dili na mawagtang, no? So mo nang you have to be very careful about that mo nang before mo mangkuan, yes, you do gargle, you do toothbrush, no? Para dili kayo, no? Dili should ma-spread, ano? So that's what we call hygiene. So avoid dry mouth, drink plenty of water every day. So recommended by doctors, drink at least 8, no? At least 8, no, to 10 glasses of water every day. Avoid alcohol and tobacco, both of which dehydrate the mouth. So muna makauga sa ba, no? So diet, sugary foods. If you don't have toothbrush, it might build tonsils, no? According to Miss Giselle, build tonsil stones that can cause bad breath as well. Yes, I believe this is correct, no? So Miss Giselle is a science teacher. They practice health. So, mona, no? You need to follow, no? Everything what you say. Sugary foods are also linked to bad breath. So, kada mga sweets, mga tamis, reduce coffee and alcohol consumption. So, college students kay mao gyud ko nga hilig kay mo magtagay-tagay, no? Like for example, after midterm exam, you tend to celebrate for high good grades, no? So mo nang ay pwede na mga once a month or kanang mga rare, mga occasional lang gyud, no? Dili kay taga halos every weekend, no? Sir, how often do you drink, no, or go out? Every Friday gyud, no? Friday is fly day, no? So please don't do that, no? So kana careful mo, no? Kay mo ni mga cause o mga kuan na to. So muna diet number 1. So we have here another video. This is basic hand washing, and I want you to watch this video because I know for sure nakakita na mo ani from somewhere else or any part, no, sa mga ani nga kon or kabalo na mo ani but kita manghugas sa amot partirang dalia dili ka abot og 10 seconds. Pag sa gripo, wash man na, no? Ang uban di manabon, iwilik ra pag yun, iwilik ra sa kilid, no, iwilik ka ra wilik, no? So manang watch these videos for you to know the proper hand washing. So in nursing, sa mga nursing, nagini proper procedure on how to wash our hands. Dili kay aga sabon waswas man na, no, wilik skillet. So that is not the proper. So this is the proper hand washing from the Department of Health, no, sa WHO. World Health Organization. Step 1, apply soap. Rub hands, palm to palm. Step 3, right palm over left palm and vice versa. Proper way of washing. Okay? Wala po soap lang. Palm to palm, yung finger to fingers. Then, cross. Yeah. Sa proper yun. Makupo. Para anong anak ko naman, para makupo. Para naman isuksok na ito, mga ikapok. Matangtang. Rub your left palm. Right. Then, kanakot. Okay, yeah, rinse hands with water. And then after, use a towel or a tissue to dry. And to dry, using the living room. We are doing continuing wash. Summary, how to properly wash. Okay, so I hope you will apply that, no? So nato yung TV commercial, I forgot what is the name of the commercial wherein mukanta ka og happy birthday, no? So happy birthday song when you wash your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, no? So kana kaduhaon daw kanta, no? So para you can wash your hands properly, no? Dili kay patakarag hugas, wilik, bisag oily pa kay kamot, wilik, no? So don't do that. Okay? So I believe I am done with my talk, and then I will stop sharing now this time. So I believe the next part is the question and answer portion. So if you have questions, so just feel free to ask. So I'll give the floor now to our handsome MC for this morning. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something, and not just learn, start practicing it every day, no, every single day. So do it and be include it in your daily routines. No, eating healthy, doing exercise, practice proper hygiene. Thank you. God bless you. And Mr. MC, the floor is yours now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir Caballero, for your informative discussion about proper hygiene. Thank you. A round of applause, please. Okay, the next question. The next question. Ready? Okay, let's have an our open forum. You can ask questions to our guest speaker. You may put it in the chat box. So kung na may question, guys, just put it in the chat box. Thank you.
Okay, if wala mo pangutana, ako ang mangutana. Okay, sige, encourage everyone to please turn on their cameras. We're almost done, I believe, no? So please turn on your camera so that I can see no everyone's faces. Miss Giselle, please take note for those students nga nagsigig off cam dira basig wala na naminaw. O pareha ni Crisley Faith, gwapa kayo no, smile good. Ana good, no? So confident siya meaning she has good proper hygiene, wa siya kinindot siya ngipon, no, ana. Okay, if mo may question, I'll be the one to ask question.
And we encourage to open your camera. Like they are afraid to be seen um on our meeting here.
Anong afraid man
So
na?
like
Ano man? Wala
we
pa
can't force them to open their cameras.
No, ang uban mahadlok sila mag-open cam kinasa balay wala pay ligo, wala pay panghilamos, naghigda pa, kalkag pa kay buhok. Asa na bang hygiene na everyone? Okay. Since there are no questions, sige ako ang mangutana, no, to everyone. I'll be the one to ask question.
We
Magsugod ta
tend
sa
to listen, but
Okay. So magsugod kog question sa atong duha ka MC, no? Anhin ako i-address ang question sa atong MC, no? Ready na mo? We have kinsa man atong MC mga name nila, no? Same ra gining gigamit si Kuan og name ni Grizzly. Sige, for our mga handsome MC, this is the question. Kay murag amo
yes,
naman.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, mo na yung question na to. Okay. Sige. How will you inform someone without kanang offending someone, no? How will you tell someone or inform someone without offending them nga baho sila baba, they have bad odor or baho sila ilok, no? Unsaon mo pagsulti, no? So for example, if you have a friend
Okay.
or a classmate, sige.
Okay, honestly speaking, sir, I have a classmates or like I know someone nga kanang they are not kanang sponsor but like they don't even know how to apply like deodorant or something to prevent body odor like yeah, but I'm not in a position to disclose the name lang, sir, but yeah, I know someone nga na join ana and not and for them not to offend nga kanang in a nice way mo ano lang siguro ko like para ako lang nga personal sige mo ano lang siguro ko nga besh o si mong gigamit niya deodorant kay murag wa ka kauyon murag ingon ala na lang siguro nga way sir kay di ba so I think mo ana di ba in order for them not to offend so mo ana na lang siguro ka nga besh kanang feel na ko besh ba murag wa ka kauyon sa imong deodorant nga gigamit kay murag dili siya applicable sa imong lawas siguro
Okay, no? So he has his
I
own
don't know what
style,
the
no? So
exact word
murag
to
ni ana, no? So
kanang to use para dili siya ma-offend.
okay, correct, no? So napod kay imuhang
Yeah, and
style,
then
no?
if bahusag ba kay mo ana sa siguro kung yeah, if bahusag siguro ba sir kay I think mo ana sa siguro kung besh murag wa ka kauyon sa imong kanang toothpaste or mouthwash nga gigamit kay
Okay,
or
very good.
siguro di ba kidding aside mo ana lang sa siguro kung besh ka na murag wa na siguro mo gamit sa imong toothbrush besh kay murag nanimaho na siya besh.
Okay, no? So imuha po ng style, no? On how you will say it to someone no, nga without offending them. Okay? Pwede, no? Pwede. So marasag na nga, mura ka kayon sa
So
mong
saan na
skincare kay
yun?
gibugas man ka, no? So correct. Sige. So how about your partner? Kanang tapad nimo nga kuan, imong MC nga tapad nimo bi. Sige. In your own,
Ikaw.
how nimo?
Sa ako sir kay if kanang mo talk na lang guro ko niya sa private kanang wala kami ran duha or pwede sa chat chat kay para dili sad siya mauwaw ba kay kay bawat siya dira bata sa feel na mauwawan siya dira ba
Kaya ganyan mo na anak ka?
dili depende
Okay. How about other
mora
students?
sir may talk na lang gyud siya sa private kanang kamura duha or sa chat.
Okay, so kamo ra gyud
Ako
duha,
sir
no?
kay dili mo gud nako i-sugarcoat. Dili mo gud nako i-sugarcoat ang tao sir if bao sig ba kay bao sig ba mamuana jud mga bao sig ba sir.
Ala, no? So masakitan man na, no? So be careful kay basig daghan makadungog og tawo no na mauwaw siya, masamot na nun niyang kadaw niyang self-esteem. So do you think that is the best way to say it? No? How about the other students? Unsaon man niyo? How about sa mga girls? Maminaw ta sa mga lucky man to sa mga gentlemen. Inato nila pag-address. How about for the women's? How do you address or ato na scenario, no? You have a friend or a classmate, saan mo pagsulti? Yes, Jonah. Jonah Lauron, daghan man gyud mo dira. Jonah, please unmute your mic. Jonah? Okay. Unmute your mic. No, Miss Ortega.
Kuan daw sir, guba daw yung
Okay,
mic
so
sir.
since nagkuyog man mo, imuhang mic ipagamit.
Wait sir.
Ayun, totoo.
Ha? Minusin ni Miss Giselle kay dili mo tubag.
Sa ko sir kay istorya na nako siya sa private sir.
Okay, no? So one-on-one talk privately. Anong sige magtabon sa babang no? Sige ana bahog ba? Sige magtabon.
Ano ko lang tawag sa
You're not confident? You're not confident? Okay, how about Angel Marie, no? Si Angel. Sige, Angel.
I would say ko answer kanang before ko mag-talk maingon ko niya do not be offended. I will tell you the truth na nana. So by that sir, hindi siguro dili siya masakitan kay ingon ang kung dili dapat maaway siya ba.
Okay, very good. No, unless kung kanang close kayo nimo ang person, like for example, close gyud kay mo, so pwede gyud mo ingnon, wa kay pa not brush kanang kuan. Wa kay pa not brush bash. No, pero kung di mo friend, di mo close, ya classmate mo di mo close. No, so kung close nimo, kasabot ko to ganyan sa ingon nimo, pwede ra wa na ka no, wa ka na butang deodorant kay close friend man mo murag normal na sa inyo ha. So, kaila wa na ka, wa kay pa not brush no. Murag offend kanang ka-offend gyud ka no. Ana, sige. So, this time let us hear from your NSTP professor. So I believe she's a health teacher and she has so many experience in life already. Let's ask her on how she handle things like that, no? So telling to someone without offending his or her, no? Confronting someone, no? Sige, having body odor. Miss Giselle Ortega, are you around?
Hello. Hello, good morning everyone. So we're almost time, no? So this would be my share also as a professor. So I would like also to share because this is also our topic. And we know that in terms of hygiene, it's a big issue. And sometimes makita kag away kung dili ka kabalo mo approach sa tao. So what are you going to do is if ever you are close friend, you're a family or somewhat like that. So akong buhaton ana, ako ingon approach na kong story akong friend, ano ko nga kanang mangutan ako unsay imuhang gamit na deodorant mo na siya dili mo na o yun no so ko tanon ako na oh sige ako I'm using this one pero kanang sometimes kabaw ko pag once nga ninay body odor bisa magbutang pa kag deodorant mobilin gyapon so what I'm going to do mag-share ko niya og tips nga aside from having a deodorant like magnudnud ka og limonsito sa ilok with salt or baking soda, that is also one thing nga mawala jud ang odor nimo bisag kanang kung body odor bisag imong pa nang butangan i-coat pa na nimo mugawas jud mo prevail jud ang baho. So ikaduha, regarding for toothbrush kanang oral health, una jud mag toothbrush jud I will ask also nga pag makita ko friend na kung smile niya nga naay mga kwan ko besh mag-floss ka or magkuan ka mag-floss ka o magbutang dapat mag-floss ka like once a week kay naa naman ka ng kuan so like a friend pero kung dili mo friend wala jud ka di jud ka kapatakag storya no so muna mo adjust ka dili na lang ka mo approach sa kay you don't want or you have to stay away from trouble kay wala ka kabaloon sa reaction sa tao kay maka low mga self-esteem if we direct to the point of person let's be thoughtful also I believe maabot ra gyud ang time makasugat sa tao nga prangkahon pud sila like their friends or family okay so thank you.
Okay, very good no Miss Ortega. So I agree with that no kay kung magpataka kag storya sakto gingon makakita gyud ka og away no. Makaaway ka nang for example kanang manangil ka man kanang hubo mo tanan og shoes like for example in the PE class no kinsa man baho kay tiil na si kuan ma'am baho kay tiil okay na ibuli ni yung classmate na si Eliza na ma'am klaro kay baho kay tiil di naman gilis og kuan so muna yung classmate in town pod nga kay baho siya nga baho gid siya tiil masamot siya ka down muna next PE niya Wala, sir, di lang ko maghubo og sapatos, sir. Dili na kay maunan, mauwaw naman siya, no? Kay na-low naman niya yung self-esteem. It may sound funny, but mo na ang mga reality, grabe ang mga estudyante mo, no? Ano, si Kuan to, sir, si Kuan, no? Dali kay mo pinpoint. Yeah, so I can see Eliza Maviv Baton raising her hand. Do you have anything to say, Eliza? Okay, Caballero is also raising her hand. No? Kisa man igagaw ni nako parinti ni. Oh. Yes, Caballero, you're raising your hand. Okay, so I believe there are no more queries, no more questions. Again, thank you very much everyone for listening and for having me this morning. I hope you learned something, no, for today. So you can follow me in my social media account. Charot, nag-plug, nag-plug na, no. So Brian Caballero, no. So if you want to be friend with me, then we can be friends also. So my IG, Brian Caballero. So kana ra gihapon, no. So you can follow me and yeah. Let's talk. If you have question, send me a private message also. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone, and I hope we can have also a photo opportunity with everyone, no, later, huh? Miss Giselle, can we have a photo opportunity later with everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We
Okay, so
will.
I'll give you back now to your very handsome MC, no, the master of ceremony. Please take the floor. Thank you.
Wait for a while. They're having some difficulties with the mute.
Yun, balik ko.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir Brian. I'm sorry for the technical error. Let me award this in behalf of the University of Cebu. Wala gihapon. Oh my goodness. Can you hear me now, guys? Everyone? Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, once again, let me award this in behalf of University of Cebu and STP CWTS certificate guest speaker for today's webinar. Let me read the citation. Where is the?
Okay, let me read the citation. I would like to award this, my gratitude to my friend at the same time, the guest speaker, to Mr. Brian Dove Caballero for being the guest speaker for today's webinar, for his invaluable contribution as a guest speaker during the proper hygiene seminar for students at University of Cebu main campus, given this 25th of May 2024, with sincere gratitude for your insightful and impactful presentation. A round of applause. Okay, thank you so much. Let me share screen if I can. Okay, so this certificate is awarded to Mr. Brian Dovek M. Caballero. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, thank you so much. Now let's have for the certificates for the participants. Okay, University of Cebu Main Campus, San Chanco, Cebu City, Philippines. Certificate of Participation. This is certified that has participated in the Proper Hygiene Seminar on May 25. Topics included vital hygiene tips, disease prevention insights, and inspiring habits. Signed by Mr. John Paul Avis, our NSTP coordinator, OIC, and the NSTP sa WTS, yours truly. A round of applause. Thank you so much for attending with our webinar today. Okay, don't forget, we're going to have a picture taking with the guest speaker. Kindly on your cameras, everyone. Okay, let's have an opportunity picture for our guest speaker. Is the guest speaker still there? Hello, sir. Apaka, sir?
Yes,
Okay. Can you share, ma-share screen na to ang katong kuan? Background or no need na lang? O, sige, ano na lang. Okay. Congratulations, NSTP trainees, for our successful implementation today. So we are also grateful to have Mr. Bral Caballero today. Okay, one, can you take a photo now? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, next one. Ah, Waki, Waki. Waki. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, thank you so much. Let's say proper hygiene.
Proper hygiene. Proper hygiene. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, please don't leave for a
Thank
while
you,
because we will
sir.
have now the floor of the MC for the closing remarks.
So, can you hear me, guys?
Yes, war.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Okay, let's
Thumbs
have
up daw.
Mr. Maureen for our closing remark.
So, let's start. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the end of
Yes,
today's
yes.
enlightening seminar on proper
Okay, let's
hygiene,
have Mr.
I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for your active participation and attention. First and foremost, let us give a round of applause to our distinguished guest speaker, Mr. Brian Dovic M. Caballero, for his invaluable, insightful, and practical tips in maintaining proper hygiene. His expertise has undoubtedly equipped us with the knowledge to take better care of our health and well-being. The importance of proper hygiene cannot be overstated. It is the foundation of good health and a vital practice in our daily lives, especially in our community here at the University of Cebu main campus. By implementing the practices discussed today, we not only safeguard our own health, but also contribute to our healthier and more viable community. As we leave this seminar, let us carry with us the lesson learned and commit for making small yet significant changes in our hygiene habits. Remember, good hygiene is not just about personal health, but also about showing respect and care for those around us. Thank you once again for your presence and participation. Together, let's strive to create a cleaner, healthier environment for all. Have a great day ahead and stay healthy. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, War.
Thank you so much. Okay,
Thank
for your
you.
attendance, don't forget to take screenshots from our FB Live today. You may visit the link. By the way, don't forget also to fill out the evaluation form which is in the chat box right now, so we can have our evaluation for this implementation today. So thank you so much and have a great day.
Okay, thank you, Sir Brian Dominic Caballero. Your kind gesture is deeply appreciated, sir. Thank you. Fun. Usog lang mo sa mo. Ano siya mga anak ko?